Sanibonani, igama lami uBonga. Welcome to BongAppetit. New episode. Today I'm making something sweet. It dessert. I'm making Amarula cheesecake. I know everybody's excited because there's Amarula, my favorite drink. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. So these are my ingredients for my Amarula cheesecake. So it's your Amarula liqueur. It's your condensed milk. It's your medium fat cream cheese, plain. It's your fresh cream. It's your tennis biscuit, and your melted butter, and your Kit Kat chocolate. So how to make my my dessert? First thing first, I just need to crush my tennis. Okay. I remember back when I used to stay in America, you know, you're in a foreign country, you're far away from family, your loved ones. So I was in a liquor store, you know, walking in a liquor store with my friend Zach, a good friend of mine. Zach Carpentry is an American. And when you get to the store, oh my God, I saw Amarula and I felt like, oh my God, I'm home. So we got to the shop. Then I introduced him like, this is our South African cream liqueur. So I taught him how to make like different kind of like desserts out of Amarula. So you have to make sure that the butter that you use is an unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. Remember, you're making a dessert. So I'm just gonna press my mixture of crushed tennis and melted butter. Okay. So just gonna put them like this, so it's gonna give you the base. Okay. So with your plain cream cheese, you have to make sure that it's on a room temperature. It's on a room temperature. You don't put it in the fridge. So it's gonna be our cream cheese. So your cream cheese is in. Then I'm gonna add in condensed milk. Whisk it together. Look how nice it looks. So yes. Okay. Then gonna add my favorite Amarula. Gonna throw it in. Smells good already. You just need to grate your chocolate in your mixture. Grate chocolate. So you're gonna put the mixture on the glass. So the dessert is ready. So the next thing that we need to do to the dessert is need to go to your fridge for a good 2 hours. But then we're gonna make like a nice cream froth on top of our dessert, just to give it a nice garnish as well. So we're gonna need fresh cream. We're gonna need Amarula. Then you need a good whisk. You must do this for a good 5 minutes up until the cream and a nice whipped cream. So my dessert is ready. It was in the fridge for 2 hours. It's nice, it's set. So remember that I whipped the cream with Amarula. So I'm just gonna put it on top. Garnish of the coffee. Then we garnish it with our mint. Then the dessert is ready. Just a quick recap how we do senze kanjani dessert here. Remember, we use tennis biscuit. You crush your tennis biscuit, then you add your melted butter. Then you mix it all together. Make sure that your butter that you use, it's your unsalted butter. Then we put it here, so it's gonna be our base for the dessert. Then for the mixture, we used cream cheese, condensed milk, Amarula, and chocolate. So we mix everything together. We put it on top of the base. Then we put it in the fridge for 2 hours to set. So now it's set, is ready. Then on top here, it was the cream that we use. We use a fresh cream, the Amarula, and a coffee to garnish. Thank you for tuning in. Your boy, BongAppetit.